BBAI here taking a bit of a hit after earnings, down about 22% today at a current price of $327. Just be very cautious as the Bollinger Band on the weekly chart is extremely volatile. If we go into the daily chart, we're actually getting pretty close to the support here, right around 270. Just note that BBAI stock in the short term is going to be quite volatile, mainly because the overall market is a bit shaky right now. If this is something you're long-term in, it could be potentially a dip opportunity, a time to possibly average down in case your average is a lot higher. But be sure to do your own due diligence. I'm not telling you to buy, sell, or hold. I'm just sharing with you. Find stocks that you are highly convicted in. If you have high conviction in BBAI stock, then treat this dip opportunity as a time to potentially average down. If you think long-term, this stock is bound to go back up, right? On the daily chart, you can see the Bollinger Band is closer towards we're closer towards the lower band right now on the daily chart, which is providing as a potential buy opportunity, right? I don't want to be buying when it's closer to the upper band. Personally, I would prefer it when it's at the lower band. And if you want to understand more about this, feel free to join our Discord or Patreon, link down below in the description, all right? I go over this with our one-on-one members. But being closer towards the lower Bollinger Band, this is providing as an entry. And then watch out for a reversal to the resistance of the middle band, which is at 668. I'm not saying this is going to happen immediately, but that is something in the future to keep an eye out for, especially once we see tech stock and other stocks in general in the overall market to start to reverse, right? Overall market reversal. You might see BBAI catch some attention again and then retest 650 or this middle band here on the daily chart. Now, the percentage up, right, from where we are right now to the middle band is already 90%. Okay. If you believe that the upper band is going to be tested eventually, look at the move there. That's about a 208% move from where we're at currently. Personally, just be sure to do your own due diligence no matter what stock it is. Make sure you know what stock you own, and it makes it a lot easier to be averaging down and understanding why you are wanting to, own a part of the company in shares, okay? If you take a look at this on the weekly chart, the weekly chart is actually extremely risky here. So you can see on a long-term perspective, if the overall market does go down, you could see BBAI potentially, I'm not trying to scare you, but potentially drop down to the lower band, which is right around 58 cents or lower. That's just a possibility. I'm not saying that's going to happen. In my opinion, if I had to rely on a support level, I would watch this from a daily chart. And I think the potential bottom here could be possibly at this 175 support level mark or the lower Bollinger Band, which is at 270, okay? So extremely volatile. And if you're looking for a reversal, I want to see BBAI retesting 390 and then testing towards that middle band there. Like I said, middle band is going to be at, let's go ahead and redo this. Middle band is going to be right around 650 there. And again, that's almost a 100% move from where we're at currently. So either watch for a straight pullback all the way down or eventually this reversal, in my opinion, which I'm leaning towards a reversal, towards 650. But I'm betting, in my opinion, that the overall market does recover during the next 90 days. You saw Tom Lee's video recently, Tom Lee saying he believes there's going to be a big rally during this spring. So BBAI, I wouldn't be too worried in my personal opinion. It's already been oversold. If you take a look at this on the daily chart, the RSI is all the way down at 30. Okay, so that's showing oversold signs. I personally would be buying when there is an oversold signal. I wouldn't be selling at an oversold area. I'd personally be selling at like the higher RSI, which is all the way up here, closer towards the upper band of the Bollinger Band. Okay. Once again, if you don't have a community for BBAI, if you're just on Reddit or something, feel free to join our Discord. It's a 24/7 chat where we have discussions on BBAI stock, Palantir stock, other stocks as well. 32,000 people, free to join. Okay, come on in, share due diligence, ask questions. And if you are looking for live entries and exits, you can join our Patreon. Currently 90% off permanent discount. We're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. So if you do join in time, it is currently 90% off discount. Check the Patreon link down below in the pinned comments and also in the description. See you guys next time for BBAI stock. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys.